Your factory paint job should easily withstand 10 years worth of full-time exposure and sunlight, making the chemicals used and application process one of the most successful elements of automotive technology. The earliest cars were painted just like horse-drawn carriages, with up to 25 layers of varnish applied to them. It was a DuPont chemist that developed the first fast-drying lacquer paints with individual colors. These coatings tended to yellow and fade from sunlight. In the 30s, enamel-based coatings offered more colors but were also intolerant of the sun. In the 50s, acrylic resins brought a sun-resistant coating to the auto world. The 60s changed the way cars were primed, and the 80s introduced polyurethanes. Today, complete finishes on new cars can be completed in as little as 12 hours using waterborne base coats. For Auto Matters, I'm Penny Cobb-Burkhalter.